Mix butter to condensed milk and you'll be amazed by the result. Start by breaking 300 grams of milk biscuits into a large bowl. Then, add 200 grams of finely chopped walnuts. Mix and set aside. Now, in a large saucepan over medium to low heat, add 400 milliliters of milk, zest of 1 orange, and mix for 2 minutes. Then, add 60 grams of cocoa powder, 70 grams of condensed milk, and mix everything together very well until it boils. When that happens, turn off the heat, add 150 grams of unsalted butter, and mix until combined. This is the right mix. Now add this cream to the biscuit and walnut mixture we prepared earlier, and mix until combined. This is the right mix. After doing that, place the mixture on a piece of parchment paper, and roll it into a cylindrical shape just like I'm doing. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Take it to the fridge and let it chill for at least 2 hours. After this time has passed, in a medium bowl, add 200 grams of milk chocolate, 20 milliliters of vegetable oil. Place it in the microwave on high power and melt in 30-second intervals, stirring in between until fully melted. Add 100 grams of roasted and chopped peanuts and mix until combined. Now, add 3 strips of parchment paper to the dessert, just like I'm doing. And in the areas of the dessert without the parchment paper strips, add the chocolate peanut mixture we prepared. It should look like this. Take the dessert to the fridge and let it chill for 10 minutes. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. Meanwhile, in a medium bowl, add 200 grams of white chocolate, 20 milliliters of vegetable oil. Place it in the microwave on high power and melt in 30-second intervals, stirring in between until fully melted. Now add 100 grams of roasted and chopped peanuts and mix until combined. Finally, remove the parchment paper strips from the dessert. Add the white chocolate to these gaps. Take the dessert back to the fridge and let it chill for another 10 minutes. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right consistency. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.